stuff, Dylan. Good night. That sounds fun.
You want to know where to get it? Yeah, you want to know where.
Okay, now you gotta let it set for 60 seconds. You time it, Rich? Count. It's gotta be a minute. 55, 40. Not counting.
I just look at the clock.
Where's that stuff?
Why these guys?
It's got to, well, go
12,
ahead.
20.
Why don't you start?
Shake it.
Right, if she starts, it'll time the video.
I'm at 27 seconds from when you start.
There's a bubble.
Yeah. No guarantees now.
Does it adhere that to the?
Yeah, stick straight to it, yep.
It's not painting.
They caught them.
But what if it?
Well, it works.
Hydro dipping. It's like a big decal.
I think that's how my helmet is.
What?
My helmet's not painted on my thing.
When we do it, Rich, on the angle, I think you should start right. You got to make sure you start
You had a
right in the
minute.
middle,
1 minute, bud.
and then you got to go down. But listen to me. You can't go down and touch the bottom. But you got to make sure you go down on an angle here and go down. And when you're doing it, you're pushing down at the same time.
Is that going to be deep enough to go all the way down?
I don't know.
Get on the sides?
What do you do? Trim it after?
No.
It doesn't have it's got excess, no?
Yep. Now this here, what it does is it makes this turn into a liquid. It turns that film into a liquid.
We all should have respirators on right now.
Yep.
Just
You
don't
read
breathe.
all of it, Rich, and we won't get
I usually don't.
Richard, your brain cells are
Go.
gone anyway. No. 15 seconds.
I
Okay,
think
now
it's
listen.
145.
You gotta do it right. You can't just be a screwball.
And Snapchat
Your
and
hand
this shit.
here.
It's going really down.
And we're forward. Now what? Wheel it around.
Yep.
Now what? Pull up.
So you get a tattoo at the same time.
Did it? Did it work?
Yep.
Okay, now. Pretty cool, huh?
That is long.
Now you let it set a few minutes. Then you go over there in the warm water and you rinse all the excess off. Okay? And then after it dries really good, we'll put a shiny clear in.